well, it's been a long time coming. Last 3-4 years I've been trying to bring this concept about. It's not a new concept. This is a game that's played by Pakistanis across the world. It originated back in Karachi, Pakistan in the 60s. So it's pretty cool that it's come to fruition in Sydney, Australia, and yeah, it's been a lot of work behind it.
So take ball, so it's a Pakistan, it started in Pakistan, but now people play it across the subcontinent?
Correct, yeah. So there's been a lot of there's been a lot of cricketers, international cricketers that have just started playing. That's like their backyard cricket.
So like who? Anyone that we would know?
Yeah, so like, well, more recently Haris Rauf, who plays for Pakistan. Yeah, he's played Big Bash as well. You got Shoaib Akhtar, Wasim Akram, Marco Yunus, all the legends of cricket. They've all played table cricket at some point in their life, and so it's their backyard cricket pretty much.
And today, this is an amazing event, and it's the first time it's ever happened. And there are so many people here. It's only going to get bigger and bigger. What sort of work went into putting on today?
Yeah, so it wasn't just me. It was a big team that were behind this. Obviously, Sydney Thunder supported it. The whole team, all the backroom staff were amazing helping today. All the people that are here, all the vendors that are here as well. They're obviously a big part of this, and Cricket New South Wales as a whole, with their South Asian strategy, last 9-10 months have been a lot of work around trying to engage the community and trying to bring everyone together, not just from the South Asian community, but also the non-South Asian community that's out here. It's so wonderful to see them come out here and engage with the South Asian community and show them all the love.
And your parents are here, and I feel like organising is something in your genes, because your parents started one of the biggest festivals that run not just in Sydney but in Melbourne, the Challenge Rap Festival. I've been to one of them as well.
Yeah, so yeah, quite lucky. I've witnessed event organising from since I was 5 years old. We organised a big South Asian festival, which is a multicultural event. It's the night before Eid, so the end of Ramadan. We get over 20,000 people. Unfortunately, we haven't had the chance to do it since COVID, but we are hoping to come back next year. So it's pretty much an Eid event, similar to what you have for Christmas Eve. So yeah, again, it's a multicultural event. It's not a religious event. It's more around the cultural activities that we do. So yeah,
bringing communities together.
Correct. Yeah. So we did that in Sydney. It's the biggest one. We also have in Melbourne. It's the one you came to, and the one in Perth as well. We've done in the past. So yeah.
Okay. Well, I feel like a lot of people here, especially those who are not South Asian, are probably learning a little bit about our cultures. One part of our culture is henna. Now, do we have a henna store behind us?
Yeah, we do. We've got henna painting here. It should be predominantly done by women, but I'm not sure.
Don't tell Trent. We should try and convince him to do it.
Yeah,
or this guy.
Maybe we should. Yeah. So I'm not sure about if people know about henna painting. It's like a temporary tattoo, you can kind of say, stays on for a few days. Obviously, a lot of ladies like from the month.
Normally it's for like weddings and stuff. So if you ask a lady if she'd like henna on her hands, is that like a proposal?
Oh, I don't know if it's a proposal. Maybe you should ask Sadaf who's doing the henna painting. She does a little bit more.
Okay, what's your name? Sadaf. And what's your customer? What's your name? Kim. Is this your first time having henna done? Your second time. Where did you have it done first? At the Easter show. Okay, amazing. And this is clearly better, right?
Of course.
And so how long have you been doing henna for?
1 year.
1 year. And how did you learn to do henna?
Like practice.
And for what occasions do people do henna?
Like events only, like
Weddings.
weddings, parties, birthday parties, like
And how long will this last for on her hand?
3-4 days.
3-4 days, okay. And these are your designs?
Yeah.
So you can come and you can get any of these designs. Is it just for the hands?
Yeah, just the hands.
Australians like neck tattoos. Can they get it? A neck henna tattoo?
Yeah.
Can you do the Southern Cross? All right, and what about, can they do it on their face or their forehead or anything?
Oh no.
No, okay. Can you do the Sydney Thunder logo? Can you do that?
Yeah.
So if you want, okay. And is this free?
Yeah.
This is free. Did you hear that? That's like a secret brown code word. You say free and people drop what they're doing and come running to the sound of that word. Free, guys. Free henna and face painting for kids as well. Where's that? Okay, there's a free face painting as well. So if you want a break from your kids, come here. But otherwise, if you want some henna done on your hands or wherever you can convince her to put it on you, come on down here. You know where we are? We're over here. All right. Thank you very much, Doc. Thanks so much. Enjoy your henna.
Thank you.
Congratulations.